old sub you had before this one was what?
The sub I used to have was a control toe ET.
Okay. So it's like an upgrade?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, full rundown.
It's a Sundown Audio ZV5 18 on a BC 5500 at 2 ohms right now. The CES 250, 2 Group 34s in the back until I get Lithium. And then door speakers, I got DB Drive 8s in the front doors with DB Drive tweeters, and in the back, Timpano Slim 8s on a PRV 1200.1.
So the old sub you had before this one was what?
The sub I used to have was a control toe ET.
Okay, got it. So it's like an upgrade?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. So you like this one more?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. How does it change on the meter? Did it affect it a good bit?
Yeah, it went up significantly, like 2 decibels.
Really? Just by change of sub? Awesome.
Because this car loves lows.
Okay, so that helped, yeah.
Yeah, the peak is 33 hertz.
Ooh, well that's a lot better. That's different. All right. Yeah, man, I'd like to hear it.
Out robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man.
Oh yeah.
And I'm even brave enough to play low now.
Really? Oh, so how low do you play now? Like I'd say 24, 25 hertz now?
No, 26 is
26?
as low as I'll willingly go.
Okay.
Even then, I'm careful with it.
Yes, sir.
Robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, I'm robbing people, but I'm an honest man.
Let me tell you straight up, only this story's not rehearsed. Got my share of drogas, but with this I'm feeling cursed. Got a little tempo, pay for my crime. Got out on healthy, now parole's going just fine. Smoke a little, yes, God. No more black sand. This is DJ Rustico.
Cause they look old, great tone, get down on the floor. I'ma keep it gangsta with you. I'ma beat it up. Pay your daddy well. I'ma let you
plays a lot lower than it did.
Yeah.
It's awesome that you got a lower peak and you gain, so that's in both worlds best. Awesome.
And I'm still at 2 ohms.
So what?
And I'm still at 2 ohms.
And you're at 2 ohms, so yeah, you got room to gain still.
Yeah, I'm only clamping 2700.
That's a really good thing. Can I see the trunk real quick?
Yeah, yeah.
So smooth, I remember this. Sub upgrade helped a lot.
People, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, I'm robbing people, but I'm an honest man. I'ma beat it up, pay your daddy well. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's good feeling amazing.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.